Another day on this job here, just showing progress. Ended up stacking enough stone on the ends of the culvert installed to form a protective layer so that the aggregate just can't sort of trickle out as it had in the past. And then over the top of the culverts I formed this swale using the slabs of limestone. Some of them were broken on delivery, so just had to kind of make the best of things, and that's why there's some patching. Also, the angling and installation, it's not like it's not perfect. Not trying to do a bathroom tile install, it's just trying to get as much concrete underneath them to help support as vehicles drive over the top. And the idea again here is that as water makes its way into the culvert, it'll go into the pipes, and once it overwhelms the two, those are 19-inch pipes, once the pipes are overwhelmed, then it can flow over the top via this swale that I've created. The edges are going to be backfilled here and here. I'll do this later today. Going to be backfilled with stone, and I've gone ahead and stacked a whole bunch of rock armoring the banks so that, again, as water rushes into this area, we're reducing the likelihood of the banks getting washed out, and instead the water goes where we want it, which is right down this middle pathway here into that manhole cover there. Went ahead and, because this one's the one that's going to take the brunt of the force of water, obviously these are going to get backfilled in here with the spoils from the previous installation that are otherwise unusable or can't be used for their primary purpose. All three of these are going to get backfilled with stone. I went ahead and buried some rebar, and will epoxy that down into the bedrock to give this particular manhole a bit more stability. So the idea is that the water will wash through and stay in the V primarily in the swale and just flush on down the creek as the two culvert pipes work. Stuff that goes over the top on in sort of flash flooding type situations will wash against there, and the aim of this whole thing is just to slow the water down as it makes its way through this culvert install to help reduce erosion. We'll see if and when we get enough rain flow. The next time it rains heavily here, we'll get a look at what's going on. But yeah, that's basically what the project is today. Going to be backfilling this area here with number twos, moving all this remnant limestone out of here, and then backfilling the other side over there. All of that area will be backfilled with number twos as a way of making entry and exit into this area easier for traffic. This is not something that gets driven on daily, but it does see tractor traffic, and it does see occasionally dump truck traffic, as this is the only way to deliver materials to the other side of this little creek area. So hopefully this does the job. Just wanted to document. We'll be doing a part 3 to show the completed stone installation into the manhole covers and into these areas of the entrance and exit out of the culvert area.